me. I'm not recording. I'm calling the cops. YouTube?
WW World Star Hip Hop. I don't give a fuck.
Right.
Doesn't even matter.
Alright.
Munchie and Pookie.
Alright.
Munchie and Pookie.
You want to shout out anybody?
Pookie, the police is gonna come. Can you get off here? Get off the next one. Get off the next one. I know. I just didn't know this guy my phone. I'm getting over 3 minutes. I'm getting over 3 minutes. If you don't get my shirt, you need to get up now. Get off my shirt. Get off my shirt. How about that? You done, bitch. You better get off the train. Because when you get to 114th Street, bitch, you done. Mr. D, get my phone, please. That bitch Buffett, they got phone nothing. Ain't got nothing. Ain't got nothing. I'm drunk. You thinking bitch got a stripper slapping his dick in your face? You thinking dumbass?
Oh, word.
Oh, you
Word. That's what happened?
You dumb bitch.
That's what happened?
Nigga burnt a mark on a net ass. You thinking slut bitch.
Wow.
My niece was getting on a train with us.
That's crazy.
For some respect. I was fuck that fuck that stinking hoe.
Right.
Fuck out of here. Put her over there you want to.
Shit is
Right about
crazy.
now. I ain't really record 9 years. I ain't got no record. Fuck that bitch probably got a motherfucking deal in the record. It's a piece of feet. Piece of food.
Wow.
I ain't got a record. I ain't going to jail. See that bitch got off the train, right? I'm a you thinking dumb bitch. Definitely. Okay,
Yeah, look it up.
all right, yes. Definitely got definitely yes. But the fact that she didn't want to get involved in this stuff,